You're not stuck. You're just comfortable. Comfort is the most dangerous addiction in the world. It doesn't kill you fast. It slowly drains your potential, your confidence, your entire life. Every dream you have, every upgrade you want, it's on the other side of being uncomfortable. So today, that we're not just leaving the comfort zone, we're going to burn it down and dance on the ashes. Why this matters, the cost of comfort. Let's make it real. Comfort keeps you watching while others are winning. Comfort keeps you scrolling while others are building. Comfort keeps you dreaming while others are doing. Comfort zone doesn't feel like a trap until it's too late. You will either chase challenges or chase regrets. The choice starts today. Step 1. Reprogram your brain. Make fear a green light. Fear is not your enemy. Fear is your GPS. When your brain says, "This feels scary," it's showing you exactly where your next level up is hiding. Fear equals direction, not danger. Fear equals opportunity, not warning. So next time you feel fear, step forward, not back. That's how champions are built. Step 2. Daily mini discomforts equal massive growth. You don't need to climb Mount Everest to break your comfort zone. You need daily little battles. Message someone you're nervous to talk to. Show up at the gym when you don't feel like it. Study one extra chapter. Wake up without hitting snooze. The small fights make you unstoppable. You don't break the comfort zone once, you smash it every single day. Step 3. Reframe pain as power. 99% of people quit when it gets uncomfortable, but you'll learn. Every moment you feel awkward, you're growing confidence. Every second you struggle, you're building resilience. Every time you feel fear, you're building courage. Discomfort is not the enemy, it's the currency for success. Step 4. Chase impossible goals to blow up your limits. Your comfort zone loves small, safe goals, but guess what? Small goals create small energy. Set impossible goals. Big, scary, exciting goals. Why? Because big goals pull you forward. Even when you fail, you're 10x further than you would have been. Example: don't aim to start exercising. Aim to become the strongest version of yourself. Don't aim to start a YouTube channel. Aim to make videos that change lives. Your energy explodes when you think big. Step 5. Destroy excuses with rules. Your comfort zone feeds on feelings. I don't feel like it today. I'll start next week. Kill that with personal rules. I don't negotiate with my goals. I post every week, no matter what. I work out 4 days a week. Zero excuses. Discipline destroys comfort faster than motivation ever will. Step 6. Change your identity, become that person. You will never outgrow the identity you hold in your head. If you keep calling yourself lazy, shy, or average, you'll keep living it. Upgrade your identity. I'm the type of person who pushes through fear. I'm the person who doesn't skip hard things. Every action you take is a vote for the person you become. Cast your votes for greatness every single day. Final wake-up call. You can't afford comfort anymore. Let me say it straight. Every day you stay comfortable, you fall behind. Every excuse you tell yourself steals from your future. But the moment you step into discomfort, you expand. More confidence, more growth, more life. It's you versus you. Play small and stay stuck, or go big and change everything. The world doesn't need another average person in their comfort zone. It needs the unstoppable you. Let's go. Comment below. One scary, uncomfortable, awkward thing you will do today. Not next week, not next month. Today. This is your start. This is your shift. This is your time. Let's destroy the comfort zone together and build your next level. I'll be right here, cheering for you.